everyone, welcome to my channel GSP Studies. Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. It proved to be a tale of so near and yet so far for Venus Fogart on a sombre Wednesday in Paris. Stop. The 29-year-old wrestler with roots in Haryana was in red-hot form, and seemingly the force was with her in the women's 50 kg segment. Stop. However, hours before the summit clash against Sarah and Hildebrandt of the United States, Venus's Olympic dreams of winning a gold fizzled out. Stop. In the accurately razor-sharp lines that distinguish weight categories, especially in combat sport, India's egg wrestler was found to be 100 grams above the stipulated 50 kg at the 7:15 am mandatory weigh-in before the final bout. Stop. This was heartbreak of the extreme king for the athlete, and the funeral effect rippled through an expectant nation hoping for a gold or at least a silver. Stop. Having weighed 49.90 kg on Tuesday morning, Venus acquired a massive halo through the day, toppling defending champion Yui Susaki of Japan and eventually getting past Cuba's Yusnelis Guzman Lopez in the semi-final. Stop. At the mixed media zone, Venus waved to the scribes but refrained from having a chat. Stop. The alarm bells, were ringing loud and clear within the Indian contingent as Venus and her support staff were conscious about her latest weight being 52.7 kg. Stop. Para. The ensuing night was all about pursuing a crash course in losing extra kilos. Stop. Extreme measures such as starvation, water being ignored, frenetic exercise, and induced nausea were all attempted. Stop. Even insomnia occurred, and still the weighing machine did not budge on Wednesday morning. Stop. With an original body weight or around 55 kg, it was extraordinary that Venus even attempted to compete in the 50 kg bout after finding her regular 53 kg category spot resting with the emerging Antim Ponghal. Stop. The United World Wrestling, the sports governing body, is clear about the rules pertaining to body weight. Stop. If an athlete fails the weigh-in, he or she will be eliminated from the competition and ranked last. Stop. In the larger scheme, Venus's charge towards the victor's podium, even if it culminated in despair, was seen as a metaphor for a larger battle that she and other wrestlers waged against the former Wrestling Federation of India Chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. Stop. The allegations of sexual harassment centered around Brij Bhushan claved India's sporting heart, but an administrative system learning on Partichi rebuffed the wrestlers before attempting a belated cleanup. Seen through that prism, the overwhelming angst over Venus's exist in understandable. Rules are sacrosanct, and Venus found herself at the wrong end, and her retirement announcement has left Indian sport poorer, while the still awaits the verdict of the authorities over her appeal for a joint silver medal consideration. এই ভিডিওর স্ট্রোক এবং প্যাসেজ পেতে টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপে জয়েন করুন। ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।